Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video, and as always, please watch the video in its full entirety. Drop a like, drop a comment, say what's up. Today we're starting this video here at Buffalo Tire. You guys know this is Chase's shop. You're gonna obviously recognize him once we go over here. He also has the single turboed green S197 that you saw in the Mustang Week series. We got Hades on the lift over there, and you know, we got a pile of scrap metal now on the ground because this car is getting full bolt-on E85 this weekend. And with this video, I'm going to try to break this up into individual pieces because I am not going to sit with them through this whole procedure because I got to go, it's like surgery, through this whole process because I got to get stuff done as well on the weekend for the upcoming weeks. With this whole project, we did have some sponsors, and one of the really cool sponsors we had with Hades is Valve Exhaust. He's over here fucking off. But the sponsor that went ahead and hooked up Hades today is Valve Exhaust. They went and made Hades a one-of-one custom catback exhaust, which is still active, but it is not going to be controlled through the steering wheel, and it's also not going to be controlled through electronic. This active exhaust is very, very high quality, and it is driven off of compressor that is going to be installed in the, you know, the wheel well where the spare wheel would go. So it's going to be a lot more effective. It comes with a remote and everything, so you can actually hook it up to ping off of the garage door opener that comes stock with the car. So it's right there. But open, close. That's it. There is no in between with this this exhaust, but it is very, very sick. I've seen other people with these Valve exhausts, and they're really, really well known. They do a ton of custom exhaust work. And, you know, Hades just so happens to have one today, so I'm very stoked on that. And that's what we're going to do with today's video. I got to go ahead and give Valve Exhaust a huge, huge thank you. They've been killing it. Chase and Caleb have been killing it today. How's everything been going?
Sucks.
It sucks?
No, it's not bad.
You got Hades up here, up on the lift. And
everything's going good. Headers are off.
Yep, stock Mannies are over here with the exhaust. And, yeah, I'm not going to speak on this exhaust just because I don't really want to, but if you know what you're looking at, you'll understand why my car sounded the way it did. But this is the factory active exhaust. Got these ugly tips. I don't know why Ford did that. That's the one thing I can't stand about the factory catback. But here are the electronic valves. So we're not going to be utilizing like these in the new kit, and we're going to go and unbox that for you. But this, you know, connects to a harness underneath the car, and that's how you control it. But factory manifolds are gone. Look how tiny those are.
I think you don't need exhaust coming out the back. I think it needs
just
to
dump it.
Come out the bumpers.
Well, shave a ton of weight.
No, it just needs to come out the bumpers.
Out the bumpers? Oh. Ha! Yeah, I mean, shit. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Over here, we actually have another piece of the puzzle. This isn't sponsored. These are going to be the long tube headers I decided to go with, and we went with you know, these were the only ones I could find in stock. All the other brands were like 4 or 5 week waits, and I wasn't really you know, I'm impatient. I wasn't gonna wait 5 weeks for headers. So let's go ahead, crank open the box for the headers, just take a quick glance at what we're working with and what's going on Hades. And then as far as hardware, I did go and get some of the Cook's locking hardware. So I'm on the way here, you know, already stressing just because we never have the best luck with my cars. And he calls me, he's like, dude, you bought V6 headers. And I'm just sitting there, and he, well, you did give in though. You gave in. I was like, swear. He's like, dude, I swear, man, I swear. And then, you know, now the funny thing is we never even opened them. So watch them actually be wrong. Go ahead and see what you get when you get some headers. And we obviously went with 1 7/8. I went with high flow cats just because I don't want a Lucifer number 2. Even with the active exhaust having well, you know, we're good Samaritans and we follow and respect the laws. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Here they are. Nice finish to them. Nothing crazy. They're not, you know, super spectacular looking, but here's a cat.
It's pretty nice.
Hello? It's pretty muffled, kind of sucks. And they seem alright, not what I expected. They seem alright though.
What do you want them gold plated?
I was expecting them to be like some titanium with fucking cool colors and like some ricer shit. Feels like I just spray painted these underneath my garage. But here's the 1 7/8 long tube headers. You're not gonna see them. Once they're installed, they're pretty much tucked away forever. So we have more airflow though. More airflow. And this is a criteria for the full bolt-on slogan, I guess. So we went ahead and did them, even though there's a pole there, or there's a lift there. Little does Chase know, Lucifer is gonna get a set of these. He's doing them next weekend.
That is not happening. That's not happening.
Long tube header package that we got, and now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the valve exhaust. But yeah, that's a tight fit all the way down there. I could see how that will become a pain once you, that top right bolt, that does not look fun, especially with the header in. So we got this side. We're busting open the box now for the valve exhaust. And this stuff, this is crazy looking. So this is the coolest part about this whole exhaust kit, in my opinion, and I think you guys are gonna agree with me. They were so kind enough, flip it over, to do this. Check that out. We got their logo right there, and then down below it says custom made for Hades, DerekBaranProductions, which is so sick because, I mean, nobody else out there has this. So that's really cool. And then we got the, I think that's the mid pipe, got an X pipe, and look at the metal on this. The finish on this is beautiful. Holy crap. That looks so good. And here's our little compressor actuator for the valve. So this runs vacuum lines, and like I said, it'll be a little compressor that just bolts up into the trunk. But this looks freaking gorgeous. Very, very clean. I'm gonna cut that for you real quick. It's pretty shiny, right? Look good.
Looks like the shells in the back are evil.
Alright guys, so we have the exhaust fully unpackaged, and I must say, valve exhaust, y'all absolutely freaking killed it. And you know, for all my Coyote guys out there, they make them for all years, so there's their Instagram on the screen. Go reach out, tell them I sent you, and this is gonna be sick. This looks fantastic, and yeah, take a look. So starting off, we have the tips. Obviously, we're going quads. That's what they come factory, but I still have some wrapping on there, but you can see their nice logo and these polished tips, and I want to say they're 4-inch, so they're really going to fill up that diffuser. You know, the stock tips are just so dinky. Again, I don't know why Ford doesn't put any effort into them, but whatever. We have some piping, and then our mid pipe Chase fell in love with. I actually saw him over there in the corner kissing it. But no, we have a beautiful X pipe here, and then again our mufflers, both of them stamped. Boom. And actually, here's that box, and inside this box are the electronics. Let's see. So here's our, oh, check that out, they even stamped that. How fucking cool. Boom. Custom made for Hades. So here's that box that's going to be mounted into the spare tire area. Here's your compressor line. That's where the line's going to go. You have all these lines that are just going to feed through. Here's the remote. Like I said, you could use your garage door opener, which I'm probably going to do because it goes off the same frequency, but this is just boom, open, close. Simple as that. Nice weight to it. Very like detailed too. This stuff is... Yeah, it does look like it, don't it? It got me a Venador, boys. But you know, some other little miscellaneous stuff in here. Little antenna, boom. But overall, beautiful kit, valved. I'm very stoked on it. It's gonna look sick on the car. and you know, pair it up with the long tube headers and just, you know, fresh tune E85, it's gonna sound good, and I'm very, very stoked on that. Other than that though, guys, I don't really know what else we're gonna be able to do right now in this video. Please just trust the process. You know, there's a lot of work that goes into this. I mean, he's done a ton of header jobs. It's just, it's a lot of work. It's tedious. So, you know, the header's got to go in first, obviously, and then the catback will be installed. It has to be wired. It has to, the compressor lines have to be ran. So it's a little more intricate than your normal, you know, non-valved exhaust. So I just wanted to go and make this video though for valved and for you guys to check out their kit. This is just the unboxing of the full exhaust that's going on Hades, so hope you guys are stoked. I'm excited to see what it sounds like, and you know, definitely pick up a little bit more power out of both things, so it's a win-win. And again, Valve, thank you so much. Guys, click the link in the description, go check out their exhaust kits. They make them for so many cars, not just Mustangs. Keep that in mind, so go check them out. And yeah, what do you think, man?
It's beautiful. Really good welds.
You're still drooling. Let this spit right here.
Imagine like polishing that.
Oh yeah.
Remember when you polished the Cobra pipes?
Dude, when I polished the Cobra pipes, my forearms were sore, dude. They were sore. But yeah, this stuff is just beautiful, man. I mean, the video is just, I don't know what else you want me to say. This exhaust, you don't pull out an exhaust from American Muscle and it looks like this. You really don't. So I'm excited. And these are gonna look so disgusting coming out the rear on the black paint with the VMS polished accents in the wheels. That shit is gonna look so good. I'm excited for those. But there you have it, guys. Drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think. Give me your guesses on you know, how it's gonna sound. Do you think it's gonna sound like doo-doo, or is it gonna sound good? But yeah, I'm gonna let Chase get to it, and better make me fast. You're like a shadow right now. You look like a menacing shadow. Shadow, man.
Slow boy stuff.
Hey, chill.
You don't need an exhaust. You just need a 4-inch guard pipe.
Thank you all so much for watching. Again, drop a like, drop a comment, but we will see you guys Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later. Yeah, right. My shit would be put on backwards and upside down.